Ever wondered how multi-car insurance policies can save you money? As you might guess, multi-car insurance policies are exactly what they sound like. A single policy that covers more than one car. This clever approach not only streamlines your insurance paperwork, but can also offer significant cost savings. Imagine having all your cars covered under one policy, with one renewal date and one company to deal with. The convenience factor alone is worth considering, but when you add in the potential for lower premiums, it becomes even more enticing. These policies are particularly beneficial for households sporting multiple cars in their driveway. Whether it's a family with teenage drivers, or a couple with a passion for collecting vintage vehicles, multi-car insurance policies can offer substantial benefits. So, if you've got more than one set of wheels parked at home, you might want to consider this option. Indeed, multi-car insurance policies can be a game changer for those with more than one car in their garage. So, how exactly do multi-car insurance policies work? Let's break it down. First things first, you'll want to shop around for insurance providers that offer multi-car policies. Not all providers do, and even those that do may offer varying terms and conditions. So, it's always a smart move to compare and contrast, just like you do for any major purchase. Once you've found a provider that suits your needs, it's time to apply for the policy. This is where you'll need to provide some key information. You'll need the details of each car that you want to insure. This includes the make, model, year, and any modifications. You'll also need to provide details about each driver. This usually includes their age, driving history, and any claims they've made in the past. Now let's talk about how the premium is calculated. This is where things can get a little complex. Typically, the premium is based on the car with the highest rate. This is because the insurer takes into account the risk associated with each car. So, if one of your cars is a high-performance sports car, that will likely set the baseline for your premium. But here's the good news. For each additional car you add to the policy, you'll usually receive a discount. This is one of the key benefits of a multi-car policy. It's a way for insurers to encourage you to insure all your vehicles with them. Finally, let's touch on the policy renewal process. This typically happens annually. You'll receive a renewal notice from your insurer, and you'll have the opportunity to review the terms and update any information if necessary. It's also a good time to reassess your needs and see if you might be better off switching to a different provider or policy. And that's how you can get a multi-car insurance policy. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? To recap, multi-car insurance policies are a cost-effective and convenient way to insure multiple cars. This one-stop solution is a boon for households with multiple vehicles, as it simplifies the process of managing car insurance. Just remember, the process involves bundling the insurance for all your vehicles under one policy, making it easier to handle. We've walked through the steps, from choosing your insurance provider, to understanding the terms and conditions, to finally signing on the dotted line. It's crucial to note that the premium for these policies is typically determined by the car with the highest rate among all the insured vehicles. However, the overall cost is generally lower than insuring each car separately, so multi-car insurance is not only about convenience, it's also about financial savviness. It's about making a wise choice that can potentially save you a considerable amount of money. So, next time you're looking to insure more than one car, consider a multi-car insurance policy. It might just save you some money and hassle.